Lie down with me, Watson.
Why?
I insist.
You...
What are we doing down here? We are waiting. I am smoking. Patiently waiting.
For what? Your window of opportunity.
Make it count.
I said make it count! How many windows must I provide?
Who'd have known that honeymooning in Brighton was such a dangerous notion?
Is that what this is about?
By your own admission, you've never enjoyed it there.
I've never been to Brighton.
Or you're just too fragile to remember at present.
Oh, shut up. Tell me my wife's safe.
I can't do both. I promise. As I said, I timed it perfectly.
Over here, madam. I believe congratulations are in order, Mrs. Watson. I'm the other Holmes.
You mean those two of you? Oh, how marvelous. Could this evening get any better?
Why were Mary and I targeted at all?
Excellent question. The answer is twofold.
He's after us because of you.
I'm afraid you must bear half the responsibility.
Here it comes.
Had you and Mary
So
not been
predictable.
so hell-bent on your wedding, we could have already solved this
There
case.
it is. Oh, it's
All
my
I'm
fault
saying
now.
is the argument could be made.
No, it couldn't.
That your nuptials were rather poorly timed. Thus, our relationship,
Relationship?
very well, partnership, has not yet run its course. My dear fellow, if you could be bothered to see this through to the end, I shall never again ask you to assist me.
Once more unto the breach.
That's the spirit. Now, to the question. This is so deliciously complicated. You may be asking yourself, what does a criminal mastermind want with a simple gypsy fortune teller? It's her brother, I tell you. When we find him out, we must.
After you find my luggage. Go on. Wait. Where is it we're going?
Paris, the most sensible honeymoon destination of all.